Hey there, my meaty friends. This is Reed, aka CarnivorousChef. If you remember the egg pudding trend of 2021, then this may look a little familiar. It's similar, but is really just a basic custard we've been making. This technique is super simple and can be done in many different ways. If you're lactose intolerant, you could do this with bone broth as well. If this video gets 100 likes, I'll make another custard video without dairy. Anyways, let's get started. For this base recipe, you'll need the following: whole milk, heavy cream, and eggs. In a mixing bowl, crack in 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Once you get your eggs cracked in, add in 1 cup of whole milk and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. The last ingredient you'll need here is a pinch of salt. You'll use the salt even if you're making a sweet custard because season your food, please. Whisk this up and voila, a basic custard. Today I'm making a breakfast custard and a vanilla custard. For the breakfast custard, add in 2 tablespoons of grated parmesan cheese and 2 tablespoons of sharp cheddar. Give this a whisk and set it aside before remembering to add in a pinch of extra salt and a little pepper. To cook this, we'll need to set up a bain-marie. Grab a deep baking dish and place a towel down to keep our cups from sliding around. For today's custards, I'll be using soup cups because I don't have any ramekins available. You could do this in any oven-safe container, honestly. Butter up your vessels just to make sure these bad boys don't stick. Ladle in your custard and drop in some cooked and crumbled bacon. Grab a kettle of hot water and pour in about 1 inch up the side of the dish. Let's carefully transfer this into an oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and let it cook for about 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. Now let's make this vanilla custard. Honestly, this one's just the base custard recipe with some vanilla extract added in. Super simple, right? Let's go through this one quickly so I don't bore you with the exact same thing I did 1 minute and 43 seconds ago. So to your base custard recipe, add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And that's it. Don't waste your B-roll either, so pour that water into your pan carefully. You just don't want water in your custard because it's custard and not watered. Now let's pull these out and let them cool down and rest for about 15 minutes. They should still be a bit jiggly, but not flowing with liquid. That's how you know they're perfect. This jello-like texture is what you're going for. Let's take this first bite for my Patreon community. If you're interested in joining and supporting the channel, the link is in the description below. Okay, the breakfast custard is f***ing delicious, and I'm already looking forward to make a similar version already. This vanilla custard is also fantastic. I've made custards before, but they had a pile of sugar in them in the past. No longer. Keep those piles of sugar out of your life too by liking the video and subscribing.